Dearest student of
we have our guest of honor.
So to start the first step from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I am happy to announce a fund of 25 lakh rupees to be donated by me for the starting of this building. I know it's not enough, but we will work together and we will ensure that we are able to successfully complete it.
Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Myntri.
We're welcoming our Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Myntri.
Culmination of a year-long celebration, a tribute to 50 years of growth.
Our Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Myntri. Little Flower Higher Secondary School.